Hey, what is up, you guys? Spotfilm99 here. And here we go. We're back at it again with another NASCAR Diecast review. Today we're going to be taking a look at Dale Earnhardt Sr.'s GM Goodwrench Service Atlanta 1996 Chevy Monte Carlo from 1996. So as always, let's take a good look at the car itself. Considering the fact that this year marks America's 250th birthday, and also 30 years since the Olympics has been here in Atlanta, this is a pretty cool car to have. He raced this at the 1996 Winston at Charlotte, and I believe he finished like third in this car. I don't know, it seems like that every year when they have, the Winston at Charlotte, Dale Earnhardt always seems to have some very cool paint schemes, and this is one of them. It's just very eye-catching. You can really spot this car out on the track, pit road, track, or not. You can be able to spot this anywhere. But anyways, let's get down to sponsors. On the hood, you get the Centennial Olympic logo with the 100, Atlanta 1996. Got Chevy Monte Carlo number 3 with some stars. I believe this is a symmetrical car, because if you look here, you got the blue and white and the red and white down the sides. Pretty interesting. Down the side of the car, you got Goodwrench Service. You got Mom and Pops right down there. And you got Snap-on in front of the rear wheel. You got Food City on the C post. And you got AC on the B post. Does have your regular contingency sponsors and such with a red Goodyear font right there, which is so interesting considering the fact that, I'm kind of used to seeing, like the Goodyear logos like that in like either yellow, white, or black, but seeing it in red, that's pretty interesting. Anyways, on the back of the car, you got GM Goodwrench Quick Lube Plus with 3 on both the backlights with the Chevy bow tie logo right there. And you got GM Performance Parts on the deck lid. And of course, down the side of the car, it just shows the same stuff. But on this side, you have a very, very small AC logo. But then you look here on the other side, it's got AC. That's pretty weird to say the least. Anyways, let's take a look underneath the hood. So you got the Centennial Olympic logo with Atlanta 1996 with some more stars. There's the engine detail if you want to see that. Of course, your deck lid's still open back then. You have a red fuel cell box and such back there. Obviously no roof flaps. And there's the underside of the car if you want to see that. Long before the ages of sticker tires. And one thing I really want to point out, look at how thick these tires are. It's honestly really hard to move and steer this car. But anyways, just a fitting car for this year. Like what I said, for America's 250th birthday and 30 years since the Olympics have been here in Atlanta. But anyways, guys, this is a look at Dale Earnhardt Sr.'s GM Goodwrench Service Atlanta 1996 Chevy Monte Carlo. I hope y'all guys liked the review, and like always, like and subscribe.